You can ask questions for James as well. Okay, so here's what I have so far. It's gonna be the same. I've never been a super organized person. We are making some dinner. We've let it have its moment, but don't let it ruin your future. I've got this storage situation going on, and I ran out of the labels for my label maker, and I just feel like I need a little bit of a break. Is do like a Q&A. Good morning, friends. Happy Vlogtober day 14, I think. I'm all confused, but happy Vlogtober day number 14. I have just been busy working on stuff. I'm like, I can't hold this camera straight to save my life. I'm currently working on the A5 monthly kit, so that way I can be done with that and print and cut everything. I have everything printed, so I just have to cut everything today. I got the video up this morning. So yeah, I've just been taking it, I don't want to say easy. I've been working, but I just haven't like come on and actually talked to you guys yet. So I've just been doing a lot of little work things. It is almost 11 o'clock. Yeah, that's what's been going on, and I'll show you guys what I have so far for the A5 monthlies. Okay, so here's what I have so far. It's gonna be the same as like our other monthly kits. It's just sized differently, so the layout is going to look a little bit different. These are still from the old layout. I'm resizing it now, but yeah, so that's what's going on. Other than that, I'm just gonna work on social media stuff. If I have time, I might take some photos today, but like I have all of tomorrow blocked off for listings and listing photos, so I probably don't need to really do that today, but I might do all of the Instagram photos for the rest of the week, and maybe the TikToks and IG reels. Okay, so I'm really excited. I've just made all of these labels because I've kind of got this storage situation going on, and I ran out of the labels for my label maker, and honestly, I was just like, I could make my own and it won't really take that long. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm just gonna redo all of these, and I'm gonna break it out into like one bin will be single sheets, one bin will be mini kits, one bin would be full kits, one would be A5 daily duo kits, and so that way I can keep things more organized, because like all of these, none of these have like a tab, so I just like have been storing them in the front, and I just kind of hate that system. So it was time to like sit down and actually get my life organized, because I feel like once I do this, then keeping stock on hand will be a lot easier, and then I can just hopefully ship things out super fast, because I'll just already have them like organized. And then I have like all of that stock over there, which is organized, so it'll just be a good time. So that is what's going on. I'm currently waiting for my printer to print this, and then I have 4 more sheets to cut for all the new releases, and then I just have to make sure that the monthly kit fits the A5, and then I'm done with everything that I had planned today. Obviously I can do more, and it's not even 1 o'clock yet. So we are running on the front burner today, that's for sure. I'm really, really excited to just get my life a little bit more organized. I feel like I've never been a super organized person, but I feel like this year I've really just been like all over the place. So it's time to like get myself together because it is almost 2022. And I had big goals for this year, but unfortunately due to family stuff and just life, that didn't happen, and that's okay. But we are looking forward to the next year, and we're gonna do it next year. We're taking this to the next level. You know, moving on from this year. And I think that's important whenever you go through stuff, to just like let it have its moment, but don't let it ruin your future, you know? So like I let everything have that moment this year, and now we're moving on, and now it's time to refocus. It's time to get back to focusing on what I want. So anyway, we're getting organized. We're taking it on today and getting everything done, and it feels good. So I will come back on whenever I'm like redoing these to show you guys, but I'm pretty excited about it. So excited because I got like a good chunk of it done. There's still several things I need to even just like go in and make labels for, but for the stuff that I have labels on and I had in stock, I've already put in here, which is so nice. So yeah, I'm pretty pumped about that. I'm just like, we love a good organized feeling, you know? All of these, all of those, and feeling pretty good about it. I still have my stuff right there. All those stickers still need labels. There wasn't a place to like put them in here. So yeah, feeling good about it. I got all the new releases cut, so I think that that's pretty much everything on my list for today. Yeah, I cut new releases. I made the divider labels. Oh, I need to batch my Instagram photos, so I'm not quite done. And I need to figure out what I'm going to do for an Instagram reel. I'm thinking that I'm just going to use that video that's already done. Also, I wanted to mention that I think for Sunday's video, which would be a vlog of Saturday, I think what I'm going to do instead of vlogging is do like a Q&A, and I might have James do it with me like on Friday, but I just want to like have a day where I'm like not doing anything, just because I'm very tired from like hanging out with people and just busy working and busy doing Vlogtober, and I just feel like I need a little bit of a break. So I'd like to be able to film the video on Friday and then upload that one as my Sunday one, like edit it on Friday, have it ready to go, so that way I basically don't have to do anything Saturday, you know? So anyway, leave your questions for me or for James. I am not going to answer sticker shop related questions. Like if it's, let me put it this way. So I've gotten a couple business questions and I'll answer those because those are like different than what I normally get asked. But I'm not going to answer sticker specific questions or really anything about running a shop because I've done so many Q&A videos that unless it's like something that I've never answered before, then I might, but like most of the questions that I was getting, I've answered before in like multiple times I've answered them. So I'm not going to do that, but you can ask like fun personal questions. You can ask questions for James as well, but I'm not really going to answer the sticker shop questions just because I've answered them over and over and over and over again. But send in your questions because I want to be able to do a fun Q&A and I don't want to have to vlog on Saturday. I just want to be able to take the day off. So leave your questions in the description. No, not in the description box. Leave your questions in the comments and I will answer them for Sunday's video, which would...
Oh, hello.
Why are you so weird? I don't know. Anyway, we are making some dinner. We've got some ground beef, some pasta sauce. This one is the one we really, really like. It's paleo, it's Whole30, it just tastes amazing. So I put that in there. There's some mushrooms and some zucchinis and it is so yummy. And then we have our pasta going. It is the cassava flour pasta, so it's fully paleo. So this is a fully paleo meal and it is so good. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. I'm ready to eat. But with all that being said, I think it is time to end the vlog here so I can edit this vlog and make sure that it gets up for you guys tomorrow right on time, or I guess as you're watching this today, it's gonna be up for you. You know what I'm saying. I don't even know what I'm saying. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a comment because comments on every video gets you an entry to win $25 shop credit. So leave those comments below. Say hi. Come say hi. Join our little party down in the chat, in the comments. Not the chat. What am I talking about? Say something. Leave a comment. But that is it for today's video. And I will see you guys tomorrow for another Vlogtober day. Bye.